everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this setup looks familiar, it's because I just filmed another video. Right, you can still see the pile of clothes. I just filmed a Zaful haul, so if you haven't seen that, then go and check that out. It will probably be up before this video. But today I'm doing another look of the day haul. Basically, I went on their £5 sale section and every single item in this bag was only a £5. So yeah, I'm bringing you the bargains, I'm bringing you the goods. If you're new, my name's Emilee. I am a cheapskate. I love affordable clothing, I love affordable anything really. So I thought I would try some bits out, get some more stuff and see what is on look of the day at the moment for a £5. That is good. Also, look of the day do free returns and it's really easy. You can just do it with Royal Mail and just go and hand your parcel in and then you get a refund. So it's super easy, super like, if you don't like anything that you buy, you can just return it, which I appreciate. First thing I'm pulling out is a skirt. Now I love this skirt. Let me take it out. So let's see what this is. This is described as a suede shoelace skirt with side pockets, dusky pink, in a size 8. So basically I have seen these types of skirts everywhere, but they're always like really tight fitting and they're not stretchy, and they just didn't fit me and I was like no. Or they're also so like way too expensive for me because, like I just said, I'm a cheapskate. So when I saw this one I was like not much to lose, and I looked at the measurements as well and I was like, wow, they're my measurements. So this is the skirt. It is this beautiful dusky pink rosy suede material, super soft, really thick, good quality, stretchy material, and it has obviously the shoelace effect, lace up on the front, and then it has these pockets which are actual pockets, like you can actually put stuff in there, and then they have the little side zip as well. This is like super duper stretchy, it's like really good stretch on it, so it's really comfortable and this fits me perfectly. I love it. And again, this was only a £5. It's really nicely lined, and I think for a £5 you really can't go wrong with this skirt. I don't know if they had any other colours, but like it's really good quality for a £5. And this is from the brand Nana. Yeah, I just said the same thing twice, the same thing. Right, so the next thing is a red dress. I love this and I'm not too sure on this all at the same time. So this is the V-bar ribbed mini dress in red, again in a size 8. And everything comes individually wrapped, so obviously you know what item is supposed to be in what bag for returns and stuff. So this is the dress. Let me just, because I've already tried all of these on. So this is the dress. It is just this red ribbed stretchy material. Bit see-through, but it's not like majorly see-through, like it's just a bit of a thinner material, which isn't an issue if you wear like the right underwear. And it just says look of the day on the label, and as you can see it has this bar that's like a V. See, the thing is, I've got like, the model had like a flat chest and had like no boobage, so if you were like that I feel like this would be fine because the bar would just sit flat on you. However, I am not like that. I have a bit of chest. So you'll be able to see in the try on clip, when I wear this it just kind of sticks out like this and it looks a bit odd, which is so unfortunate because I think I love this dress. Like, it's elasticated on the top, the bar keeps it up, it doesn't fall down or anything, it's not too see-through, it fits really nicely and it's a nice ribbed material, and it was only a £5. But like, do I keep it? Will I wear it? Will the bar annoy me? I don't know. I'd really like it if you could tell me in the comments, does the bar thing look weird? Like, does it sticking out look odd? Because I don't know. Really love the dress and it looks really nice, but at the same time the bar is so annoying. I don't even see what I mean, like the thing just goes out. Like, I want it to be like that, or like lay flat, but it's just... Right, so the next top, I actually wore this already, so I took the tags off. I don't have the bag, so I don't know what it's called. However, this is like, let me just zip it up for 1 sec. I wore this on my birthday and I love it. So I'll insert some pictures of me wearing it on my birthday, and I will also insert a normal, just regular try-on clip. But it's basically this, excuse the birthday badge, it's this red bralette top, and it is adjustable straps, it's all lace, if you can see, and it zips up at the back with a gold zip, and then it has obviously like lining behind the boobage bit, but it doesn't have lining anywhere else, and I love this. I think it's amazing. I had to get this in a size 10. I don't think they had any size 8s, either that or I just thought maybe I should just size up to be safe. So I did get a size 10 in this, and it still fits nice. It's like a bit baggy around the armpits, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I love this top, and it's so cute, especially for a £5. So the next dress, again, I love this, and I couldn't believe that I got this for £5. This is the Bardot lace-up eyelet dress in black, and then I got this one in a size 8. So this is actually from like a brand called Edge Street. So this is what the dress looks like. It is a Bardot, as you can see. It has the tie-up, lace-up detail all down the front, and then on the boobs they actually has like padding in, so you really don't need to wear a bra at all, which is good. The material is really good quality, thick material, and it's just really flattering, like it pulls you in all the right places and all that. But yeah, this is the dress. I love this, like I actually love this, like no doubt in my mind I am keeping this dress. I then got this dress. Now this is, basically I've told you in my previous look of the day videos, I am looking for a dress to wear to my cousin's wedding. I am still on the hunt. I found a dress that I thought was perfect on ASOS, and I got it in a size 8 and it fit perfectly, but then it was too tight around my bum, and I couldn't sit down in it basically, and I couldn't walk because it was too tight around my bum, but it fit perfectly everywhere else. I then, it was out of stock, and I just took my look and exchanged it on like the little exchange form, hoping that they would send me a size 10. They sent me a size 10 even though there was none online, and then it was just way too big. So I am still trying, and I saw this on Look of the Day for a £5, and I was like, that is cute. I'm going to buy it. It's a £5. If I don't like it, I can return it, and you know, if I do like it, then I just got a dress for a £5. So this is the lace cold shoulder midi dress, and right, if I flip this the right way, basically I want a midi dress that's lace, but as you all know, I'm like 5'1" and a bit, so finding a midi dress is a bit difficult because usual midi dresses go like to in the middle of my shins. So I saw this one and I thought, wow, this is really cute. It's basically this baby pink material. It's stretchy and it's got a lace overlay, and the lace goes further down than the underlay bit. It has non-adjustable straps, and then it has these cold shoulder details, and I got this in a size 8, and I just thought, like, even just for a backup dress to keep it if it fits, if I can't find a dress, then I would be happy just wearing this, and I really like it. I think for the purpose that I want it for the price, it's great, and yeah, I'm definitely going to keep it anyway just in case I can't find another dress. Final dress, unfortunately, is definitely going back for a multitude of reasons. I just wanted to try it really. I saw it and I was like, for a £5, might as well try it. But they didn't have any size 8s, which was a bit gutting. So I was like, I'm just going to test my luck, get a size 10. So it's basically, what's it called? The strappy bustier bodycon mini dress. So like I said, I got this in a size 10. I got it in white because I've never worn a white dress in my life, and I was like, Emily, what are you doing? Why have you never worn a white dress? So it's basically, it looks like this. It's got the boob cups. It has little like strappy harnessy bits. It's this kind of like waffly material. It's bodycon. Only thing is, the bottom half is completely see-through, and it's massive on me. So it's definitely going back, but like, if the bottom bit wasn't see-through and it actually fit me, it's a really nice dress. Like, it's a really cool dress. Like, I like the concept of it, but, you know, I'm just going to have to return it because it doesn't fit and it's see-through, and I don't want anything like that on show. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, that is everything I have to show you. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know any other cheap websites that you may have shopped on that, you know, you want me to shop on, or any like cheap video ideas that you want me to do, like testing cheap clothing, because I like to test cheap clothing. It's my favourite thing, like I just love it. But yeah, I will see you all in my next video.